Lena's surprise gift.
Hello, my dear Lena. Guess what? I have a surprise for you.
A surprise for me? What is it, Auntie?
Close your eyes first. No peeking.
Okay, I promise. I won't look.
All right. Now open your eyes.
Wow, a bicycle. A real bicycle.
Yes, it's all yours, sweetheart. Do you like it?
Like it. I love it. It's the best gift ever. Thank you, Auntie.
You deserve it, my dear. You've been such a good girl.
It's so shiny, and it's red, my favorite color.
I remembered. That's why I picked this one.
But, Auntie, I don't know how to ride a bicycle.
That's okay, my dear. Everyone learns one step at a time.
What if I fall?
Then you get back up. Falling is part of learning.
Okay, I'll try. I want to learn.
That's my brave girl. I'm sure your dad will help you.
Yes, I'll ask him to teach me tomorrow morning.
Perfect. And when you can ride it, you must show me.
I will, Auntie. I'll practice every day. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my dear. I can't wait to see you ride like the wind.
Learning to ride.
Good morning, Lena. Ready to learn how to ride?
Good morning, Dad. I'm a little afraid.
Don't be scared, my dear. Everyone feels afraid before trying something new.
But what if I fall, Dad?
Then you stand up and try again. Falling is part of learning.
Really? You also fell when you learned?
Of course, I fell many times, but I didn't stop. That's how I learned to balance.
Balance? What does that mean?
Balance means keeping your body straight so the bicycle doesn't fall.
Oh, like standing on one foot.
Exactly. It's the same idea. You have to balance your body and move slowly.
Okay, Dad. I'll try. What should I do first?
Hold the handle tightly. Now, put one foot on the pedal.
Like this?
Yes, very good. Now push the pedal down.
Wow, it's moving.
That's right. Keep your eyes forward. Don't look at the ground.
Okay, I think I'm losing balance.
It's okay. Use the brake gently.
Brake? What's that?
The brake helps you stop. You press it when you want to slow down.
Got it. Press the brake slowly, not too hard.
Excellent. You're learning so quickly. My clever girl.
Thank you, Dad, but my legs are tired already.
That's normal. You're using new muscles. Let's take a small break.
Okay, Dad, but I don't want to stop for too long. I want to practice more.
I love that energy. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect. I like that.
Yes, if you practice every day, soon you'll ride without help.
Really, Dad?
Really, just believe in yourself and keep trying.
Okay, Dad, let's do one more round.
That's my brave Lena. Ready?
Ready, let's go. Lena's first ride alone.
Good morning, my little rider. Ready for another try?
Yes, Dad, I feel brave today.
That's my girl. Remember what we learned.
Balance straight, eyes forward, pedal slow, and use a brake gently.
Wow, you remembered everything.
Of course, I practiced in my dreams.
Then let's make your dream real. Come on.
Okay, Dad, I can do this.
Yes, you can. Push the pedal and keep going.
Dad, look, I'm moving.
You're doing it. Keep your balance.
I didn't fall, Dad.
Wonderful. I'm so proud of you.
I can't believe it. I'm really riding my bicycle.
See, when you try again, you grow stronger.
Yesterday I was scared, but today I'm brave.
That's how learning works, Lena, one step at a time.
Thank you, Dad. You always help me believe in myself.
And you always make me proud.
Look, Dad, no help this time.
You did it, my brave rider.
Lena's surprise ride for Auntie.
Hello, my dear Lena. How are you today?
Hi, Auntie. I'm super happy today.
Oh, what's so happy, little one? Tell me.
It's a surprise. You'll see in a minute.
A surprise. Now I'm really curious.
Okay, close your eyes, Auntie. No peeking.
All right, all right. My eyes are closed.
Okay, now open them. Ta-da!
Oh my goodness, Lena, you're riding your bicycle.
Yes, I practiced every day with Dad. Now I can ride by myself.
That's amazing. I'm so proud of you, dear.
Thank you, Auntie. Remember when you gave me this bicycle? I was afraid then, but now I'm brave.
Yes, I remember. You've grown so much, not just taller, but stronger too.
Dad said if we keep trying, we can do anything.
Your dad is right. You learned courage and patience.
And now, Auntie, I want to take you for a ride not on the bicycle, but you walk beside me, okay?
Deal, let's go, my little rider.
Hi friends, did you enjoy today's story? I learned to ride my bicycle and I learned new English words too. Remember, we can learn English from simple, everyday moments. If you like this story, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Beginner English Zone. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments below. I'll be so happy to read them. See you in the next story. Bye bye.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.